we are going to create jobs, right? Like suppose we are taking this organization, then we decided to establish a college or anything, then automatically he is going to, if there is no employment, then suppose this institution 237 faculties are there, then what about the 237? If these institutions not exist, okay, based on this, if we are going to start any business, any startup, then we can recruit the people. Indirectly, we are going to give an opportunity to create jobs for them. Okay. Next one, main thing. If we are creating jobs, then automatically we are going to reduce unemployment for the people who are not getting the job for their particular skills. And third one is support economic stability. The amount, respect to amount, they support anything. If there is no about that independently, we can earn the money without dependence on any person. And if you are going to suppose you are doing any job, then automatically we are some if we are going to suppose we are going to get a salary, then it will be 10 on 10, that amount whatever we are getting that will be over. And again you have to wait for that 20 days time we have to think our economic feasibility, right? Whatever the requirements are there, and you have to think that is the main thing. If you are starting, if you are doing any job, this is the main thing. And if you are going to start any business, any startup, then that the amount will be getting based on a daily basis. There is no matter about that they are identity products. They are not going to get that amount will not be zero. The amount any time will get amount within our hands. But job plan not like this. We are going to plan according to their environments. This is the main thing, support economic stability. And next one, capital farming. That encourage savings and investment. Anyone, if you are going to start any firm, the PF, PDFs, and these are the best examples for savings and investment with respect to entrepreneurship. Like if you are an employee or a person, and if you are having any loss, then immediately whatever savings, whatever things that employer will have done, then immediately they will get the amount after their life. Second one, attract funding and product based on the product, that availability of product, how it will be the market trends. If you are doing any product which is very suitable for the person, which reduces time and everything, then it will automatically attract the funds. Then the person will come forward, they will invest amount on that particular product which you are going to deliver by your own staff. Second, last one will boost growth with respect to economic, with respect to independent, with respect to time or anything. That is a growth. If the person is going, then automatically the capital or economic of some particular country will automatically will be good. And the same next thing, innovation and technology. That is not based on product which is very suitable for the consumer goods, then they rate our product based on innovation and technology what we are using. First one is introduce new product services with which is very essential for the consumer. Next one is improve productivity. The product can be improved by introducing some technologies for the current trends. Third one, enhance competitiveness. If the competitiveness will be there, then automatically product will be good. There is no, suppose if you are taking any college, if you are only one college, there is no competition, and whatever is giving, whatever is lectures, whatever output, that will be the same. There is no growth of that particular college. If you are having sufficient colleges and there is a competition between each and every college, then every college they will see that they will give a good education to the person, the people or students, then than other institutions. Same thing, market also. Suppose in the shop also, if you are taking a product, then you will see respect to quality. If which is giving same quality, less amount, then we are made to buy that product. That's the main competitiveness we are observing in the innovation, the implementation, not the common gross material. Rural development, balance development, rural backward classes. Where now you can see earlier days there is only one particular community they are developed and their shops, kirana shops are there. That whatever they are having, only that person they will sell for the products. Now everyone they are able to establish that type of thing. That is mainly whatever they are economic and backward classes.